On board the WALKENHORST BMW M4 GT3, going for a lap with Thomas Merrill here. As we're coming down the front straight here at Yas Marina, 16 turns, 5.55 kilometers through turn 1. Really important to get good exit off of here, carry the speed through turn 2 and up and over the hill and into turn 3, about 185 kilometers an hour as we exit here. Got to be careful of track limits as we come off of there and into turn 4. Then we're looking at the run down to turn 5, spotting the braking point, high grip tarmac here at turn 5, just being passed by a P3 car as we come through the corner. Very important to get a good exit here, but this also highlights how we need to exist. All the drivers need to exist on the racetrack together, multi-class racing, P3, GT, P2. And we're coming down and into the braking point for turn 6, about 265 kilometers an hour at this point, braking down to about 65 kilometers an hour at the apex of turn 6. Turn 7, very important to get good exit off of there, off camber, tricky to accelerate off of there, still using that toe from the P3 car to get as much performance as possible. And we're coming down into turn 9, another tricky corner. There's high grip on this new surface. GT taking a slightly wider line than say P3R, and I think that is going to cause maybe some issues later on in the race. Right at this point when those two classes come together, trying to squabble over that same piece of tarmac. And we're coming through here into turn 12, braking point, very tricky. We're coming up to the W Hotel, and then it's 13 and 14, both off camber. The BMW maybe is not as competitive in this part of the racetrack as other parts. So that's super important to get good exits and coming through into the final couple of corners here. A lot of curb on the exit here, which can make the braking tricky for the final corner here at Yas Marina. So go off that final corner, and that's another lap here at the Yas Marina Circuit in Abu Dhabi.